Next to what is feedback path? Feedback path or feedback loop is a path which originates and terminates on the same node. Now you check this one here. It is starting at the node x2. It is going to x3. Again it is coming to x2. So this is a loop. Now you consider this one. It is starting at x2. It is traveling to x4. But the direction is towards x4. So it is not a loop. Okay, it is not a loop. Now next one, here you take this one. It is starting from x3 and it is starting from x3 and again coming to x3. This is also a loop. Now we are studying self loop. What is self loop? A self loop is a feedback loop consisting of a single branch. So here you check this. This is a self loop. It is starting from x3 and it is ending in x3 and it is having only a single branch. So it is nothing called a what? Self loop. Now what is gain? Gain of a branch is a transmission function of that branch. You consider this branch x1, x2. The line segment between x1 and x2 is a branch and the gain of this branch is nothing but a21. Gain of this branch is nothing but a32. Gain of this branch is a33. Gain of this branch is a42. Okay, now have you understood what is gain? Gain is nothing but the function, transmission function of that particular path. It is nothing called branch. Path gain. What is meant by path gain? So first you consider the path x1, x2, x3, x4. Path gain is nothing but the product of the individual gains of a branches. So a21 into a32 into a43 is a path gain of x1, x2, x3, x4. Okay. Now what is loop gain? Loop gain is a product of branch gains of the loop. Okay. So now this is a loop. So this is a loop. It is starting from a point and it is ending in the same point. Now gain of this loop is nothing but a32 into a23. This one a32 into a23. So now we are going to study what is meant by non-touching loop. Two loops are said to be non-touching if they have no nodes in common. If they have no nodes in common, then they are said to be non-touching. Okay, when a loop is said to be non-touching, if two loops are having no common nodes between them, then it is called non-touching loops. Now we are going to see a problem. So consider the signal flow graph. Consider a signal flow graph given below and identify the following. First one, input node. What is input node? Input node is a node which is having only outgoing branches. So this R of S is the input node. So what is output node? Output node is a node which is having only incoming branches. So the C of S is having only incoming. So you take this V1 of S, it is having both incoming and outgoing. We can't take. You take this V2, it is having incoming as well as outgoing. So only C of S is having the incoming branches. So it is called output node. Now next one is forward path. What is forward path? Forward path is a path from input to output. So this is one forward path. Input to output. Okay. This is one forward path, input to output. So we'll check when any other possibility is there. Next possibility is, this is second forward path. So here the arrow is opposite, so we can go here also opposite, here also opposite. So here you are having two forward path. So we identified the first forward path. This is the first forward path and this is the second forward path. Okay. Now third one is feedback loop. What is a loop? It has to start from a node and it has to end at the same node. So you consider this. It is starting at a node and ending at the same node. This is one feedback loop. Next feedback loop. It is starting at this node and ending at the same node. Next, starting at this node and ending at the same node. Okay. Next, starting at this node, traveling in this direction and here. So you are having three feedback, 1, 2, 3, 4 feedback loops. Then non-touching loops. Then we are going to see non-touching loops. How many loops you are having? First you take this loop. This loop and this loop. These two are non-touching because these two are having no common nodes. Okay. These two are having no common nodes. So these two are non-touching. Next. So this loop and this loop. These two are having this node as common. So we can't take it. Okay. Next non-touching loop is this loop and this loop. These two are not having any common nodes. Okay. Now we have find out what is input node, what is output node, what is forward path, what is feedback path, and non-touching loops. Okay. What is non-touching loop? If two loops are not having any common nodes, then they are said to be non-touching. Now we have to determine the loop gains of feedback loops. Okay, loop gains of feedback loops. Okay. Now this is a first feedback path. So its gain is G2S into H1 of S. You take this as feedback path 1. Feedback path 1. Its gain is nothing but G2 of S into H of S. Okay. Now you take the second loop. Its gain is G4 of S into H2 of S. You take the next loop. Its gain is G4 G5 into H3 of S. Next loop gain is G4 G6 H3 of S. So these are the loop gain of feedback loops. Next one, determine the path gains of forward path. Okay. So first, this is the first forward path. Okay. This is the first forward path. So its gain is G1 into G2 into G3 into G4 into G5 into G7. This is a path gain of first forward path. Now the second forward path is, this is the second forward path. So its gain is G1 into G2 into G3 into G4 into G6 into G7. Okay. G1 into G2 into G3 into G4 into G6 into G7. This is a second forward path. This problem is having only two forward paths. This is the forward path gain of 2 forward paths. Now, in animation we can set what are the forward path. This is the first forward path. I have already explained G1, G2, G3, G4, G5, G6. The gain of the first forward path. Second forward path is G1, G2, G3, G4, G6, G7. Okay. Next, loops. How many loops it is having? This is the first loop. Already we have seen the gain of the loop is G2 of S into H1 of S. This is the second loop. Its gain is G4 of S into H2 of S. And next loop is, this one is the next loop. Its gain is G4, G5, H3 of X. Next loop is G4, G6, H3 of S. Okay. So, non-touching loops. Which are the non-touching loops? These two are first non-touching loops, and these two are second non-touching loop, and these three are third non-touching loop. So, here you are having 3 non-touching loops. So, we have completed this